can see this being the end.
Yeah. Their music is
We started this day together, and that's how we finish it.
I believe you more than anyone or anything. Nothing can ever be broken. We keep things together. I'm ready for size. No si las guantes más. I think this is one thing okay. Hacia adelante seguirás. Las amigas. Viento cristallinos. Hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas. No se aguanten más. Hay que crecer. Party on that. To my heart to be united. Focus around you. Just let the world come down. Come on, we fight. Wait till tomorrow. Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
So, you come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.